Hello and welcome to GT Railfan Productions. It is a windy, sunny July 20th, 2018 day, and here is an eastbound manifest looking to be CSX Q388 with a Y&2 pair. The paint scheme Y&2 or Yellow Nose 2 paint scheme will be rare one day, with the more popular paint scheme Y&3B, Yellow Nose Paint 3B, being the new paint scheme for CSX now. Locomotives being painted into this paint scheme are either in Y&3 or Y&2, which Y&2 is an older paint scheme, which will be making it rare here soon in the coming years. And to a surprise, here we have tractors on this train, which was a nice treat. And the train of the day, CSX W845-17, a military train headed for Fort Drum in New York. Today's power would be a KCS Jevo and a Mack, elephant style, pulling the train. And now, here is CSX C745, the local that originates in Erie and heads to Ashtabula and then back to Erie. Here they are flying through Lake City with an awesome crew giving us a horn show with a cool Doppler effect also. As the end of CSX C745 goes off, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching GT Railfan Productions, and make sure to go check out these other videos.
Blame on me, no shame on you. No, you can't hide the truth. I'ma slide right through your roof. Might pop a pill or two. Let them hate, we chop the deuce. That we